Good morning, students. Through this video today we will cover our topic article. This question comes in 5 marks in your exams. So let's see first that what's the meaning of the word article. Article actually is a piece of writing about a particular subject for newspaper or magazine. In fact, it's like a direct conversation with the reader. The first thing required in an article is an interesting title to catch the attention of the reader, and it should be engaging enough to make the reader go from beginning to end. Make sure that ideas are well organized. Spend some time in collecting the ideas and organizing them in a proper sequence. An article should end up with the summing up of the points made and drawing a conclusion from that. So let's see first what is the format is. First of all, we have to write the title or heading, and your heading always should be eye-catching. After that, second one is the byline. Now let's see what the byline is. For example, this is our question and our topic is role of student in eradicating illiteracy. This is the title, and the words which is written after this, that is by Karuna, is the byline. Okay, so this is the exact or right format to write the byline or the name of the writer exactly after the heading. Okay, so role of student, that is the heading, in we will cover it in the center, then byline, and after that we will start our topic. Okay, so after title and byline we have introduction. To introduce our topic, it's essential to put in a right perspective. After that, we have to develop our topic, in which we include merits, demerits, causes, reasons, effects, positive point, negative points, all things we should discuss about our topic in the development of the topic. Then in the summing up, we have to give our opinion and comments, recommendations and steps, and the conclusion part consists of a hope, warning and an appeal for an public action. Okay, let's take an example to understand it more clearly. So our question is that according to 2011 census, literacy rate of 100% of or around has been achieved by only a couple of states in India. Illiteracy is mostly found among the old and deprived sections of the society. So what can the youth do to spread literacy in society? Write an article in 150 to 200 words on role of students in eradicate illiteracy. Okay. So in the question, the heading is already given, that is role of student in eradicating the illiteracy. So we write it in the center, then we write byline, that is by Karuna, because the name of the writer is also given in the question. If the name is not given, then you can write ABC or XYZ. So let's see how we start our topic, or what's the introduction part. So in the introduction part, as this topic is regarding the illiteracy and the role of students, so we will start it like that students can play a crucial role in removing illiteracy, which continue to exist in appalling scale in our country. Then we give some statistics about our topic, that India has 29 states and only a couple of them have achieved 100% literacy rate. India has been a free nation for nearly 70 years, and illiteracy gives birth to many issues such as poverty, unemployment, child labor, population. So this is actually the intro part, in which we introduce our topic in a very broad way. After that, we will, in the second part, we collect all the merits and demerits, then causes of illiteracy, then effects of illiteracy. We will cover all these points. Okay, we will also cover the our comments and suggestions in the end, and after that, in this way we cover up our topic. Okay, so this is a question which you will write in your notebooks, that write an article in about 150 to 200 words on how we can make India a carefree and enjoyable place for women when they go wherever they like to, without any fear of being stared at, molested or discriminated against. You are Navtej or Navita. This is your question for homework.